Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Greenhouse Spring Wire and Lock Channel Bundle, the ultimate solution for securely attaching polyfilm or shade cloth to your greenhouse. This high-quality bundle includes a 6.6-foot aluminum alloy lock channel and PVC-coated spring wire, designed for durability and ease of use. With 50 mounting screws and a hex bit socket included, installation is a breeze, saving you time and effort. The lock channel's aluminum alloy construction allows for a certain degree of bending, making it versatile enough to fit various greenhouse structures, whether wood or steel. Its corrosion and rust-resistant properties ensure a long service life, while the smooth, oxidized surface protects your greenhouse film from damage. The strengthened oxidized layer is engineered to withstand stronger winds than ordinary lock channels, providing peace of mind in adverse weather conditions. Upgrade your greenhouse setup with this reliable and efficient fastening system, and enjoy a more secure and stable environment for your plants. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.